How to find beneficiaries on Edward Jones. Follow my instructions. First, log into your Edward Jones account. You can use either the mobile app or their official website. Now look for the option labeled Beneficiaries or Account Preferences. Depending on the type of account, IRA, retirement, or investment, this may appear under different tabs. Tap into the account you want to manage, then scroll down to find the Beneficiary section. You'll now see a list of your current beneficiaries, their percentage allocations, and relationship to you. You can also edit, remove, or add new beneficiaries from this same page. Just tap Edit, enter the new details, and confirm the update. Double-check your changes before saving. Some updates may require identity verification, so keep your ID handy if prompted. Once done, your beneficiaries will be updated instantly and securely. That's how you find and manage beneficiaries in your Edward Jones account in 2025. Thanks for watching.